Hello everyone. Today, we'll learn how to select a date from a calendar using a date picker. Let's get started. First, let's create a basic XML layout file that includes a text view and an edit text. Next, in main activity, declare and initialize the UI elements. Next, set an on-click listener for the edit text to open the DatePicker dialog when it's clicked. We'll initialize a variables to get the current date. This will help set the default date for our DatePicker dialog. In Java's calendar class, months are indexed from 0 to 11, where January is 0, February is 1, and so on, up to December, which is 11. So, to get the correct month for display in a more familiar format, 1 to 12, you need to add 1 to the month value. Okay, there was an issue here, so let's fix it. To prevent the keyboard from appearing when the edit text is clicked, we will use dateEditText.setInputType. This allows the DatePicker dialog to show up instead. Fantastic, now you've got your DatePicker integrated and functioning perfectly. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more engaging and informative content. Your support makes all the difference. Thank you.